Hello guys, welcome to XTech. Today I'm gonna show you how to download Play Store on your Chinese smartphone. Like for example, I've got Vivo Nex 3 here and it doesn't come with the Google Play Store. So I'll just show you how you can download it from their website or from their browser. So just click on the browser and just type in Google Play Store APK. That's all we have to type. Remember to add APK at the end and just click on the first link that you can see, and scroll down to see download APK file, and you have to click on that. Just wait for a moment. Gonna start downloading soon. As you can see, your downloading is started, and you have to just download. You can see it's started to download, and there you go. It's checking for all the things, the risk things involved in this application. As you can see, it shows Vivo app store is already installed. It's because I have already installed. I had already previously installed like this on this phone, so it's not gonna show on your phone if you want to download it like this. Just gonna show as Google Play Store, so don't be worried about this message here. So as you can see, I'll show you guys how it's gonna work. So here you go, Google Play Store all ready to use, Chinese model. So as you can see, you got all the apps you need, and you can download any one, like you download on any Android smartphone. So Facebook, YouTube, everything, Gmail, Chrome. Thanks for watching guys, see you next time. Please like and subscribe to my channel.